Just now we're gonna replace the evaporator fan motor. This one you got 4 screws, 2 on each side. We're gonna remove it. And then you turn it over. As you see, the motor is supported by bracket, supported by 2 screws. Remove it. Take off the wire. And take it off. This is the new motor. You see that 2 hole right here is for the cushion. You bend the cushion in, pop it right in, press down the cushion, slice it in, and it's in. Put your screw back in. Reinstall your wire, ground wire. Turn it over. Reinstall the 4 screws that you take off. Okay, and let's plug in the power. Turn on your temperature control. As you see, the evaporator fan is running. So that's all it takes to replace your 3 components inside your evaporator. It's your evaporator fan motor, your defrost thermostat, and your defrost heater. Let's move to the next section for the refrigerator compartment. Alright, we're at the refrigerator compartment. We're gonna demonstrate how to remove the cover right here, so we can expose the temperature control and the defrost timer in there, and then we're gonna demonstrate how to remove it and replacing it or testing it, and that's what we're gonna do. So first, for the safety, we're gonna turn off the power to the refrigerator, and I'm gonna need a flashlight. And it's always a good idea to have a paper towel on the crisper top, so you can make sure everything clean as it is when you leave the resident home. First, we're gonna remove 2 screws on the side. That's 1. There's 2, and we drop it down. As you see right here, this wire is for your refrigerator lamp. You got your temperature control. Back here you have your defrost timer. Right here you have a damper adjuster to allow how much air go into it. Let's see if we can remove it by turning it sideways and you pop it out. Let me do it again one more time. You see the clip? By turning sideways you can pop it out and then remove the wire right here. Then we're gonna remove the 2 wire on the temperature control. Then we're gonna remove the connection on the defrost timer. I'm gonna remove the wire connection to the lamp on this side, fluid on this side, on this side. Then remove this. And pop this out. Remove the ground wire. Then we safely remove this outside and then we can work on the table. As you see, we remove everything and put on a work table. Now first thing we're going to do is remove the defrost timer. There's 2 clips. You see, we remove the clip. I'll take the old one off, and as you see, it's identical 3412. We slide this one back down. You put the clip back. Now we're going to remove the temperature control. Unhook the clip, take it out, and pull this up. Then we got a new one. Slide it back in here, bring this down, you rehook that. Bring this. Slide this back down, cover that. We're done with that, and let's put it back. see, first thing we're going to do is put the power back to the light. On both sides. We're going to slide this back in. You're going to hook the wire back in to the temperature control. The ground wire back. And then we hook the lamp back in. As you remember, we slide this in, turn it. Alright, now let's turn the power back on. Let's turn the temperature control, see if the unit refrigerator is running. Alright, let's put everything back. Make sure you slide this in the box here, or if you bring it up, it's gonna touch the damper, and the arm of the damper cannot move in freely. So slide it in the box here. Push it up. Screw it back in. We set it on number 3 on each side, and that is done with the temperature control and the defrost timer.